Change of character is the only entry signal that you need for profitable day trading Forex. In this video, I will show you how I day trade change of character. I will share with you a recap of a real change of character trading setup that I spotted on a live stream with my students. You will learn the best entry point, safe stop loss, and correct selection of take profit level. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Here is the trading setup that we spotted with my students. So what is up with cat Swiss pair? Definitely we are trading in a bearish trend. Now you can see that clearly since April we are trading in a bearish trend, and recently the market updated the low. We set a new lower low, lower close on it daily, and then a correctional movement started and the market started to grow rapidly. We saw quite an extended bullish movement here, and the price reached this strong daily structure resistance. Look, we got a very significant resistance here that the market reached, and you can see that the price nicely respected that resistance. You can see that the market started to fall from that resistance, and look what happened. You can see, and by the way, if you are trading smart money concepts, trading strategy, you should recognize clearly here a confirmed change of character. Look at that horizontal support. That horizontal support here is the last higher low in a minor bullish trend. From the price action analysis perspective, we have a minor bullish trend right here. We have an extended bullish wave, the retracement with the higher low, and then the next bullish movement with a new higher close. So from the price action perspective, it was a minor bullish trend here. Then you can see that with this recent bearish movement, the market violated the level of the last higher low. That is the perfect example of the change of character. Yes, we have the confirmed violation of this minor bullish trend. What it signifies? It signifies that with the high probability, the market will now return to a global bearish trend. For us, this violation is a very important sign of strength of the sellers and the indicator that with the high probability, the correction is over here. The correction is over and the market may drop lower here. What we also should note here is that the broken structure, the broken support based on the last higher low is now a strong resistance. A resistance from where we can look for a signal to sell. So once we see the test of that resistance, we can apply multiple time frame analysis and we can look for a signal to sell the market. We can look for confirmation to sell the market from there. Remember that I do daily live trading sessions for my students in my trading academy. Join now and watch how I trade live. For more info, check the link in the description below. Now let's discuss what kind of confirmation we can look for on lower time frames to sell the pair. First, let's check a 4-hour time frame if we have something special here on a 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, there's nothing special here. We just got a strong bullish movement, and once we reached our resistance, we just can spot the rejection here. You can see that the market formed quite a long wick right here, signifying the pressure from that recently broken structure. If there is no confirmation on the 4-hour time frame, and if you haven't spotted any signal there, then just open an hourly time frame. Hourly time frame will be the next time frame in our analysis, and if there's no confirmation on the 4-hour time frame, simply check the hourly time frame. What do we have on an hourly time frame? On an hourly time frame, look, again, let's analyze the price action. On an hourly time frame, what we can spot is that we have a minor bullish trend here. Yes, I hope that it is clear that we have a minor bullish trend. You can see that the market started to recover. We set multiple higher highs here, we set multiple higher lows here, so we have a minor bullish trend. And this minor bullish trend, you can see that the market started to respect this minor horizontal structure support. Quite a significant support that was just recently respected by the market. And again, we have bearish trend here. The market updated the low and started to trade in a minor bullish trend. What can be our signal here? Again, if you are trading smart money concepts, for the smart money concepts trader, the breakout of that minor support, the breakout, the violation of that horizontal support and an hourly candle close below that can be a strong bearish signal. It can indicate the completion of this local correction. It may indicate the strengths of the sellers after a retest of a recently broken daily structure, and it can give us very strong and accurate bearish confirmation. After you see the hourly candle close below this minor horizontal support, simply set your sell limit order on a retest of a broken structure. Yes, your sell limit order will be here. Stop loss will lie above the highs, and if you're a day trader, you just can anticipate a retest of a current low. That can be your goal for the trade. And of course, if you are a swing trader, you can anticipate a bearish movement much lower. And look what happened with the market a couple of hours later after the live stream. After the live stream was finished, cats with pair quickly violated the level of the last higher low on an hourly time frame, and we got a confirmed change of character. Trading entry was on a retest of a broken structure based on the level of the last higher low, and you can see that when the trade went active, here was the manipulation, and the market maker, the smart money, were trying to stop us out from the trade. With the stop loss lying above the highs, we were protected and we survived the stop hunting. Then the market dropped and the market quickly reached the level of the current low. This trading setup was based on two changes of character. Our first change of character was on a daily time frame where the price violated a very significant structure based on the level of the last higher low. Then the market retested the broken structure and we were looking for confirmation. Our confirmation was the violation of a minor bullish trend on an hourly time frame. The confirmed change of character on an hourly time frame was a very important sign of strength of the sellers. It was our confirmation, and that helped us to make very nice profit here. Just a single change of character can provide very profitable trading setups. Your ability to recognize that is essential for profitable smart money concept trading. Let me know, traders, in the comment section if you have any questions. Also, traders, if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to see how I trade live, do not forget to check my trading academy, the link in the description below. Also, traders, please watch my other videos.